Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Grandpa. This is Joe. We're going to make tapioca pudding today. To get things prepped right away, separate 3 eggs, because you're going to need 3 egg yolks and 3 egg whites to make a meringue. And you keep that egg white out till it gets to about 70 degrees, because they whip better when they're 70 degrees. Right now, I'm boiling my tapioca pearls in the milk. I'm using 1/4 milk and about 3 ounces of tapioca pudding pearls. We're going to do that for about 20 minutes, and when that's about ready, we're going to tamper some egg yolks with milk and sugar and put it back into that mixture and set it aside. Okay, now it's about 10 minutes before our milk and pearls are ready to get used. So I'm going to start making my meringue that I'm going to fold into that. Now you have to do 70-degree egg whites, and I usually do it on a speed of about 6. But we don't want to go too fast because we want small bubbles. So we whip that, and we're going to try and get it to a soft peak. And after it starts to foam up a little, I'm going to add my sugar and my pinch of cream of tartar. That helps stabilize the egg whites. Okay, as you can see, we're starting to get some foam there. I'm going to throw in my cream of tartar and my sugar. That'll help lift it up a little more. And a little vanilla. Okay, I think we're going to check it now. I think we want soft peak, moist soft peak. I think we're there now. Let's take a look.
Oh.
There you go. Soft. You see the peak? It's nice and soft, and it's still holding a peak. That's what we're looking for in the egg whites. Now on our stove, we're going to do another procedure here. We have our pearls cooking for about 20 minutes. Now we got to add egg yolks and sugar into this mixture. But if you just threw them in right away, you'd have scrambled eggs. So you have to temper the eggs. So this has been boiling for about 20 minutes. Our pearls are nice and clear. I'm using pearls. Okay, so we got that. Now we take a spoon like this, and we have our egg yolks here with milk, and we take a little of this hot mixture and put it into the eggs and mix it. Make sure you stir it as you're doing that. Of course, you want that. You don't want no scrambled eggs. And you do that, and you get that up to a nice temperature. You stir it quick. Okay, don't make a mess. Now we take this egg mixture and we put it all in there, one shot like that, and we got to get stirring right away. And just to where this comes up to a bubble. I'll show you when.
It smells so good.
Okay, now I have added my egg yolks and sugar, and this is just coming up to a boil, and I'm going to shut it down. That means my egg yolks are cooked, everything is cooked. Now I add this whole mixture into this bowl.
Whoa.
Now the object is to fold in the egg whites into this hot mixture. We do that 1/3 of the egg whites at a time. Always fold your egg whites into the mixture. Egg whites go into the mixture. So we use 1/3. What's going to happen to this 1/3 that I'm using, it's going to kind of lose some of its air bubbles. But you fold this in like that, up and around, until you can get this mixture to get some kind of bubbling. Okay, now we have folded 1/3 in there. As you can see, the batter is a little lighter. Now we can put in another 1/3, but I actually put in too much. I put in 1/2 at that time. So we'll put in a little more and fold that in a little at a time. Nice and gentle. Cut it down and over, down, around the bowl. Okay, now I'm going to put in my last 1/3 of egg whites and fold that in, and I'll let you see when it's folded in and done. Okay, now I think we're all folded in. As you can see, it looks pretty good, pretty evenly folded in. We don't want to keep messing with it too much. Okay, we're good now. We're going to go over to our plates, our cups, like this one. Maybe it is good. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. And here's where my grandson can clean up this bowl. And that's it. And then you put it in the refrigerator, let it cool before you put it in the refrigerator, and you're all done. Thank you. Hi, thanks for watching. Come back again, and we'll do something else. Have a great day.